Let's talk crude. Joining us now from the OPEC International Seminar in Vienna is Helima Croft, RBC Capital Markets Global Head of Commodity Strategy and a CNBC contributor. Helima, I see the price of WTI up 2% here. What's moving the market today? What's going on in the headlines from the conference?
I mean, the big headline from the conference this morning, the Saudi oil minister speaking for the first time since they announced they would extend the 1 million barrel a day unilateral cut through August, basically said we have no regrets about the decision, that they are continuing to actively manage this market. When it came to the cooperation with Russia, he said, look, we are continuing to cooperate well with them. The fact that Russia also came out with their own announcement, they would extend their 500,000 barrel a day announced cut through August. The relationship, he said, remains solid.
Helima, is this all in an effort to try to get the price of oil to around 80?
And I think the goal of the Saudis is obviously to try to push prices higher from here. I think they believe there's significant negative sentiment in the market. He talked about speculators positioning in the market. They are facing significant headwinds about macro concerns, rate high concerns. And so OPEC wants to come out, the Saudi oil minister wants to come out and say, we will manage this market, that we stand on the other side of Powell in terms of our willingness to try to see this market and see prices higher this year.
As we watch interest rates continue to move higher, what is the impact on oil? How is that being balanced with these supply cuts?
I mean, I think the rate hikes is one of the most important things holding this market back. I mean, I think there are a lot of people who basically, starting last summer, that started to fear Jerome Powell more than Vladimir Putin. I mean, when the war began, there was an expectation that we'd see significant Russian barrels off the market. That did not materialize. And the market sentiment shifted negative when they started thinking about the impact of rate hikes on demand for oil, potentially a hard landing. And so I think that continues to be, if you ask me, the biggest headwind for oil, it continues to be one of the biggest headwinds for oil.
Can you talk a little bit more about Russia's role here, what they're doing right now, and the broader impact on the price of oil?
Well, Russia is not at this conference. There's no Russian speaker on the stage here. But the Russia partnership has been something that a number of market participants have been questioning. They've said, look, Russian barrels continue to flow into Asia. Some have speculated that the Saudis would be upset because of a loss of market share in Asia. And some have been waiting for some type of dust-up like we saw in March of 2020. That's why the Saudi oil minister was on stage today saying the relationship remains solid. So he's trying to project to the market that there are no cracks coming in the partnership with Russia in the OPEC plus marriage as we look out for the remainder of the year.